take a paper and start making me. Every step is major. Try to be focusing, and of course it hurts every thought.
What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy here once more, and yeah, I made it to the Johns Mountain area, but the GPS or the Google Maps shot me up to a shooting range area. Luckily, they're closed on Sunday, or, you know, I don't know. I got orange on my face, but yeah. So I thought, man, I wanted to go hike it today, you know, up to Johns Mountain. But the GPS took me some other place, and, you know, it's up at Chestnut Road or whatever, and there's a shooting range up here. I mean, they do say that there's a trail up here, but I don't know, guys. It's kind of hard to get up to, you know, and my Jeep's only two-wheel drive, so I don't know if I can make it up that way. But it's a pretty area what I can get to, so I thought I'd show you anyway, you know. It's very nice, and there's like a brook and everything in the background here. But like I said, I'm where I'm supposed to be, I thought, but like I said, it's part of the national forest, so it's, you know, it's protected. But, you know, it does have a shooting range up here, but you know, it is what it is. It's a nice area, and, you know, I always like to explore anyway, so yeah. But I just thought I'd come out here and check it out. But yeah, here's the water. Yeah, I know you guys know what that is. And I'm gonna step into the stream. I got my cowboy boots on, and hopefully I don't fall, you know. But yeah. But I thought I'd make at least a video coming up here, you know. I really did want to hike it, but this is not it's a pretty area, you know. I know, guys, I know. But I'm trying, you know. And I hope you can hear me over all the rushing water here. But it's pretty calm though. But I'll just pan out and let you see the canopy. So, you know, everywhere is green. It's nice. And it's a beautiful area, but yeah, like, I don't think my vehicle can get up to this. I've pushed my limits before, but I don't think I'm going to push them this time, because I'm a little farther out than I usually am. And like, I hike by myself, so, you know, I really don't want to get stranded up here, but it's a beautiful area, guys, if you can tell, I know. And I'll pan out just so you can see without me talking, and I'll just spin around here. Like I said, you know, I really like to hike it, but I don't mind exploring either, so it's a good thing. I'll still get one of these though. Looks like a heart, doesn't it, guys? Yeah. Anyways, it's a beautiful area. Yeah. It is what it is. Okay, guys. Well, if you like this video, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you so choose. And as always, my friends, peace out, bro. I will hike some hikes, okay, guys? But I'm just going to enjoy the area. Alright. Peace out, bro. And keep on hiking. Until next time.
You take a paper and start making me. Every step is major. Try to be focusing, and of course it hurts every fault you make. But I know for what it's for my own sake. I'm a paper blind, wind is throwing me across the sky. Thanks to you, at least I can fly. I'm a paper blind. This is what you've done to me, but thanks to you, turbulence doesn't scare me anymore. All ups and downs, they are all my wind waves. I am flying through the sky and don't care about the haze. Oh, I'm honestly not tired of my pretty flight, and it's sad, and I know it will be over sometime. I'm a paper blind, wind is throwing me across the sky. Thanks to you, at least I can fly. I'm a paper blind. This is what you've done to me, but thanks to you, turbulence doesn't scare me anymore. Why did you teach me how to fly, but forgot that I should land? I'm a paper